currently driving to the mountains. It's freezing. It's really cool. Because look at the sky. It's cloudy. Maybe it'll improve by the time we get to the mountains. So yeah, it's freezing.
All right, where are we, Mayor?
We are at Sliding Rock.
And Allie's first time.
Yep, never been.
I think Sophie's been once. We've been a couple of times.
The story of my life, I give her hope. I spend her love until she's broke inside. The story of my life.
Mayor, tell us what we've done. And Allie?
We did the Sliding Rock.
Meredith, what are we getting ready to do?
Going to swim under the waterfall. Yeah.
Allie, what are we getting ready to do?
It's gonna be so fun.
So you guys are doing it?
Can you hold my glass?
All right, so Meredith has talked me into going under that waterfall. All right, so the crew is going hiking and to
very experienced hiker.
2 waterfalls. So we are mountain hiking now, and you can tell we're not experienced hikers because of our attire, and all the hikers we meet seem to like have all this like professional hiking stuff.
I'm without your kisses. I'll be needing stitches.
Woo! So Meredith has been having some flip-flop drama, and she fell. That's not poop on the back of her shirt, it's mud. But she's blown out 2 or 3 different flip-flops. Not the best attire to go hiking in. So here we are at the drive-in, Hounds Drive-In. Tell us about your day, girls.
It was really fun.
Fun.
Now it's dry, thank goodness. It's been wet all day.